2026 Ford Expedition is proudly manufactured in Louisville, Kentucky.
Since 1969, this facility has been America's home for full-size SUV craftsmanship.
It all begins with high-strength steel coils entering the stamping department. Multi-ton presses form precise body panels in seconds. Stamped components begin their journey to become a complete body.
Next stop, the highly automated body shop.
Robots align the floor pan and side structures with micron-level accuracy.
Laser welding delivers stronger, cleaner joints than traditional methods.
Side panels are robotically clamped and welded into place. The roof completes the basic body structure. Advanced AI inspects every weld, up and down, 6 times more checks than previous models. Doors are fitted with robotic precision for perfect gaps. The bare metal body now heads to painting. Bodies receive thorough cleaning and preparation before paint. Electrodeposition coating protects against rust for decades. Primer layer creates the perfect foundation for color. Base coat delivers the rich, durable Ford colors. Clear coat adds deep gloss and long-term protection. Ovens bake the multi-layer paint at high heat for lasting durability. AI vision systems detect even the smallest paint imperfections instantly. Perfected bodies now enter the final assembly phase.
Meanwhile, chassis are built in parallel with engines and drivetrains.
The powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine is precisely mounted.
Seamless 10-speed transmission connects for smooth power delivery. High-performance braking system is fully assembled. Exhaust system completes the powertrain foundation. The iconic body-chassis marriage unites form and function. Precision torquing locks everything into structural integrity. Miles of wiring connect every electronic system seamlessly. The advanced cockpit dashboard integrates tech and luxury. Spacious seating for up to 8 passengers is carefully placed. Premium interior trims elevate comfort and style. Every control and handle is tested for smooth operation. Advanced climate control ensures year-round comfort for all rows. Precision-balanced wheels and tires complete the rolling foundation. Advanced LED lighting and mirrors provide superior visibility. Bold front-end styling defines the Expedition's commanding presence. Innovative split tailgate and power liftgate add everyday convenience. Final exterior accents and badging complete the premium look. Battery installation brings all electronics to life. Four-wheel alignment ensures perfect handling and tire wear. Dynamic roller testing simulates real-world driving conditions.
Brakes and throttle response receive final validation.
Tense water testing confirms weather-tight seals.
Trained eyes perform the final human quality inspection. Final AI scan verifies every detail meets Ford standards. Another fully built Expedition proudly rolls off the line.
Tremor models receive rugged off-road enhancements.
"33-inch all-terrain tires deliver serious off-road traction."
Raised suspension and performance shocks conquer rough terrain. King Ranch trim features authentic Western-inspired leather. Platinum models offer available massaging front seats for ultimate comfort. The adaptable flex-powered console offers versatile storage and charging. One flexible line builds every trim level, from active to platinum. Continuous training keeps every team member at peak precision. Advanced 3D printing creates specialized tools right on site.
Sustainable practices recycle materials and minimize waste. Just-in-time logistics keep the line moving without excess inventory.
Robots handle tight, repetitive jobs with flawless consistency. Smart tools record every torque for complete traceability. Around-the-clock teamwork keeps production flowing non-stop. This massive facility is the heartbeat of American full-size SUV production. Constant innovation ensures the Expedition stays ahead. High-output 440 horsepower engine option delivers extra performance.
Class 4 hitch supports up to 9,600 pounds of towing capacity.
Expedition Max adds 15 inches for maximum cargo and legroom. Intelligent 4WD system provides on-demand traction.
Advanced driver assist sensors receive final precision calibration.
Protective coverings safeguard each Expedition during transit. Finished SUVs begin their journey to dealerships nationwide.
From Kentucky steel to American roads, Resching, the Expedition is born.
The 2026 Ford Expedition Cooley, engineered tough, built proud in America. Every Expedition carries the pride of American craftsmanship. Thousands of these giants will power American families every day. The Ford badge symbol of strength, innovation, and reliability.
From the heart of Kentucky, the Expedition begins its journey.
King Ranch trim blends rugged capability with Western luxury. Built here, ready to conquer roads, trails, and family adventures everywhere.
Tremor package turns this giant into an off-road beast. Split tailgate design makes loading gear easier than ever. Room for 8 and massive cargo space all full. Family adventure ready.
Platinum trim delivers the pinnacle of luxury and technology.
Available panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light. Intuitive Sync 4 keeps everyone connected and informed.
Twin turbo power delivers confident acceleration whenever needed.
America's full-size SUV Progal, built to lead, not follow.
Towing, space, capability, commas dimming. The Expedition does it all.
Ready for road trips, camping, and every family memory.
The 2026 Ford Expedition, unique, engineered in America for America.
Thank you for watching Inside America's Giant SUV Factory.
Like and subscribe for more factory tours and automotive deep dives.